Yo, what's up, Mulibwanje, Bamzanga, Mulibwanje, Antu, Mulibwanje, Bamalawi. Welcome back, man. Zinalanga. Wait, I learned this recently. Okay. Zinalanga Malidziwa, right? Yes. Anyway, never mind. Zinalanga Titi Ndimankala kuno USA Koma Ndima Chogera ku Botswana. Today I'm reacting to Driemo's new song. Let's get to it without wasting any time. If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel, then hit that like button. It is for the algorithm. And also go check out Driemo's YouTube page because this guy, I am telling you, the whole entire continent of Africa should be talking about artists like this who are putting in the work and they have really beautiful things. They can sell the African culture so easily because they are putting out really top quality content out there for Malawi, for Africa. So you guys, if you're African and you're watching this, you should be ashamed if you don't know who Driemo is. Anyway, let's get to the song.
Ladies and gentlemen, friends and family, welcome to our second anniversary.
Hey,
woman, as you can see.
Wait, is that true or is just acting? Because it looks so true. They are doing a really good job if it's just acting because it does look like, you know, this is like true stuff. Anyway, let me know in the comment section what is going on.
It's a very beautiful picture of her. So,
and the fashion, this guy
should be available to witness. Very great gift that I made for her. Ladies and gentlemen, the unveiling.
Oh no.
Don't touch me. Hey!
Ah. That was unexpected. I was just about to celebrate too quickly. Yeah, this is okay. Let me make myself big here. Let's address this. You guys from Malawi. You know, when you're in Botswana and some stories are floating around about like umjolo, you guys are saying that, right? Like it seems like it's a universal thing, or should I say it's an African thing? Because, you know, the number of songs that I've seen recently about this kind of topic is concerning. What's going on out there in Malawi? Should I come over there and talk to you guys? What's going on? Okay. We are in for a ride, I'm telling you. We are in for a ride. You might as well just hit that like button now. Caught red-handed. Can't come back from that. Oh wait, thankfully there are subtitles. Let's see. Yeah, there's no explanation. And it was a Chani. What are you going to tell me, Chani? Ah, yeah. Oh my god. Jolo. Okay. Good to know. Oh yeah, wow. Okay, it's good to have subtitles because I have said this on my other channel that when Driemo is singing about some words, he might be saying some words that I'm familiar with, but the way he says things. Somebody said he was like deep like that. The word, I know this word, and okay. Sorry that I'm disturbing this video, guys, but this is for me right now. There's a word queera means to touch, right? Or to catch. Like physically, but also it means like she got caught, like, you know, cheating. Good to know.
Manyazi bwanji mwayamba kuchula Yehova mpakana ndikanapanda kukugwira ndikanapanda kukubezelela ukanandibebesa bwanji nenanga ndikanapanda kukugwira iwe ndikanapanda kuchilika izizi ndikanapanda kukubesa iwe ukanandikwadila zona ine ndikanapanda kukugwira. Are you not sorry? Oh, oh, you not sorry. Mugubebesa mudakwida kale. You not sorry. You not sorry, mami. You not sorry. Mugubebesa mudakwida kale. You not sorry.
She is not sorry. Like, you can tell from her face, like, that is not an I'm sorry face. It's like, it is, yeah. Driemo ari kukwira, so you got caught. You're not sorry. That's a beautiful story, but ish, he brought all the receipts.
Wanipanga chindi chibongo mami kukululuka kondiyambila pati wabalalika chisoni bwa ayunkandidelela mpaka nakumandizembela.
Where he said one word there, I want to see what he said.
Kukululuka kondiyambila pati wabalalika chisoni bwa ayunkandidelela.
That is interesting. I say, even in Tswana, here's, guys, if you want to learn Tswana, I think it can work as well if you are speaking Chichewa, because in Tswana you say wantalela, which is like you disrespect me, and nondidelela in another language, which is like you are disrespecting me. So, wow, okay, subtitles help. Oh my goodness. She was all in with the other guy, man. Yeah.
Are you not sorry? Oh, oh, you're not sorry. Mugubebesa mudakwida kale. You're not sorry. You're not sorry.
I don't know if you guys are listening to. I mean, it's a song that has all the things going on: the video, the music, and the lyrics. Like, there is a guitar as well in there. Like, if you are listening to that guitar, oh, the guitarist was crazy.
Mugubebesa mudakwida kale. You're not sorry. Are you not sorry? Oh, oh, you're not sorry. Mugubebesa mudakwida kale. You're not sorry. You're not sorry, mami. You're not sorry. Mugubebesa mudakwida kale. You're not sorry. Yambamboni.
It's a beautiful song, man. Despite the message. Yeah, it's a tough message, but it's a beautiful song as well. That was like a really quick twist. Like, when it started, I was like, oh, there's gonna be another beautiful song. Like, I mean, just like everybody coming together and everything. Everybody celebrating. I was just about to pause it right here and say, oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. And then the speech, I was like, oh yeah, this is gonna be a good song. Good love song. But I was wrong.
It's a very beautiful picture of her.
Beautiful picture. that
Great.
was too much.
Ladies and gentlemen,
I just want to see again that part.
Don't touch me. Hey!
And like, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Oh, man. I was not expecting that. That was a plot twist indeed. Thank you so much for watching this, guys. If you're here for the first time, like I said earlier, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. And then go check out Driemo's YouTube page, man. And watch all his music. These are like the best stories, best music, best videos, best fashion. Man, the guy is fashionable. I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the other side. I have to go move the car, and I'll be back. If you wanna see a song from what song? Lesotho, come with me.